Wisconsin in February. Here we are with our typical snowstorms in the month of February. This can cause for treacherous driving conditions, and this is a breeding ground for auto accidents. People drive too fast for conditions, lose control of their vehicle, blow through stop signs because they slide right through them in oncoming traffic. Lots of different reasons that this is super dangerous, and you want to be very cautious when driving in a snowstorm. Please drive under the speed limit. Do not drive too fast for conditions, and keep an eye out for the plow trucks, because that is a common accident that we see, is people get clipped by a plow truck because they don't calculate for their plow sticking way out, which you can see that plow in front of me is sticking way out.